Let's transform a dull potato dish into a mouth-watering Cajun delight that will please your appetite for comfort food and spice. These air-fried baked potatoes are smothered with a savory, creamy Cajun sauce with shrimp, spicy sausage, and diced red bell pepper. It's a hearty dish that will warm you up in this frosty winter weather. Let's begin by preparing the potatoes. Russet potatoes are arguably the best potatoes for baking. Let's break some holes in the potato in case it explodes when baking. Next, drizzle some olive or avocado oil and rub the outside. This helps the skin to crisp up. Season with salt and fresh black pepper. Bake for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in an air fryer or oven. Before making the Cajun sauce, we need to sauté the vegetables and the protein. Begin by chopping 1 cup of yellow onion. Then sauté in a pan over medium-high heat. Chop 1 cup of celery. And dice 1 cup of red bell pepper. Cook until the vegetables are nice and tender, about 4 minutes. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and stir for a minute. Dice 2 cooked spicy sausages. Reheat the sausage for a couple of minutes. Season 300 grams of shrimp with Cajun seasoning. Mix well and add it to the pan. And cook until the shrimp turn pink. Remove from the pan and transfer to a bowl. To make the creamy Cajun sauce, start by adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the same pan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir with a spatula until it turns a golden color and well combined. Add 1½ cup of chicken stock. While stirring, gradually add splashes of chicken broth. Keep stirring over low heat until the sauce is nice and creamy. Add 3 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning and stir until the sauce starts to simmer. Then return the protein and the vegetables. Mix them all together thoroughly. As a finishing touch, squeeze in some lime juice to add some refreshing taste and balance to the spiciness of the dish. And also garnish with chopped parsley. To complete the perfect meal, slice the potatoes and fluff the center. And just smother with that delicious creamy and meaty sauce over the potato. Garnish with anything you like and you'll have a jazz-up loaded potato meal that's perfect for this time of year. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.